From the microchips inside your computer to the metal conductors that power your electric car, nanotechnology literally powers many of the devices that we use every day. So, what does nano mean? Well, as a prefix, it means 1/100000th. In other words, think small, very, very small. Nanometer means 1/100000th of a meter, or 10 to the minus 9 meters, which is 100,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. In honor of this tiny world, we celebrate big, especially here at the U.S. Department of Energy's Advanced Manufacturing Office. We have a long tradition of celebrating Nano Day on October 9th, or 10-9. Get it? Making new things at this incredibly small scale is called nanotechnology. Nanotechnology helped us make computers smaller and smartphones smarter. And now, nanotechnology can help us create a clean energy economy and cut carbon emissions in half in the coming decade. Experts at the Advanced Manufacturing Office are exploring energy-saving nanotechnologies for separations, semiconductors, and conductor manufacturing, all of which can make energy consumption much more efficient and sustainable. Through nanotechnology, scientists can make new nanomaterials for transport that are stronger, lighter, and thus more energy efficient, which can all help build a clean energy future. The Advanced Manufacturing Office is also interested in enhancing conductivity, or making electrons move faster. We can do this by developing nanomaterials, like nanocarbons, that allow electrons to zip along faster without crashing, like on the interstate. Our office is asking for help from creative innovators who are competing in the Cable Conductor Manufacturing Prize. Competitors are exploring how nanotechnology can help us develop and manufacture breakthrough conductivity-enhanced materials. Has nanotechnology electrified your imagination yet? Happy Nanotechnology Day!